Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is an interesting radio. I've had this radio on my wish list for, I think, a couple years. And it's just always got pushed down because I found something that looked a little more modern and interesting. But I finally got one. You know how I got one? PRUNUS sent me one. This is the J-15 weather band radio, emergency radio. I'll show you why it's an emergency radio in a minute. Okay. Um, it has a light. One thing that makes it an emergency radio. It has FM, AM, shortwave, and the weather band. Emergency radio. There's the band select here. And this was the line light off and on. Here is an LED that turns green when you're locked onto a station. Under here is the on-off volume, tuning knob, big tuning knob right here, headphone jack, and auxiliary input jack. So you can use this as a speaker amplifier. It comes with a nice long, it's at least 6 feet, AC cord that plugs in the back. The converter from AC to DC is built in, and it could be operated under D-cell batteries. Three D-cell batteries. The shortwave band is 7 megahertz to 19 megahertz. And then, of course, it's got the 7 channels of the weather band. Let's measure it here. It's pretty good size. I can't measure it with that. Okay, let's get this gizmo here. I think this is a measuring stick. Okay, it's about 8.5 inches by, go to the handle, it's about 6 inches by about 2 inches. So it's pretty good size. The handle is stationary. It doesn't fold down. The telescopic antenna is long. It's about 32 inches. So that would be great for FM and would help on shortwave listing, although you really need about 20 feet of long wire antenna to get good reception on shortwave. Nice, easy to read dial. Unfortunately, it's not backlit. Nice looking radio. Well constructed. Got an inlay here, the gray. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay, let's turn it on. I'm on AM.
One who just needs a better plan or a lower price. Did you miss the penalty deadline, have a baby, get married, or get dropped from your plan? Don't worry, plans are available now.
Plenty of volume.
Minutes, we will help you find the right plan that's best for you and your budget.
Nice and clear.
Health insurance now at 800
Let's do some quick tuning here.
The call is 100% free.
Probably wants to be that way.
You can finally get health insurance that's right for you. But hurry and cover.
Upfront payment of $45 for 3-month plan, equivalent to $15 per month.
She's deceived. I actually believe.
Now see,
that
I got it tuned in, it's locked in.
They don't even know
the LED light comes on.
They figure that's a false narrative. We're going to a break. Much more.
Prohibited by law. Loans are subject to approval. See website for details.
Honey, the credit card bill came, and we're maxed out.
Great. And we're going to wrap up some stats with Sid.
So it's picking up a lot of AM stations. Whoop. Some with music. Whoop. Whoa. Okay. We've got to get away from that music. Let's go to shortwave. Well, let's go to the weather band. See how the weather's doing.
Becoming northwest in the afternoon.
There we go.
Seas 1 foot or less. Wednesday night, west winds around 5 knots. Seas 1 foot or less.
So it locked on that one real good. See if we can get another one.
Seas 1 foot or less. Winds and seas high.
It's trying to get that one. No. Just got the one. Okay, let's go to shortwave. Don't think I'm going to get much on shortwave. We'll try. We're up at about 17 megahertz. Not going to be anything up there this time of day. It's got muting mode tuning, but it's really quick. Yeah, let's see if we can get WWV. No, didn't get anything on 15. Whoop. There we go. Let's try and lock in. No, won't lock in. Let's go down to 10 megahertz. No. No, just a bad time of the day. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. Not a good time. No, nothing. We'll do FM really fast. Stay away from music. Yeah, nothing but music. There we go.
Necesito más investigadores. Pero está demasiado ocupada para perder su tiempo investigando currículums. Necesito Indeed. Cuando patrocinas un empleo en Indeed, es más fácil que los candidatos talentosos lo encuentren. Y es más fácil que tú los contrates.
Yeah, it's doing a good job getting lots of music, so we got to stay away from that. Again, this is the J-115, and I think it on advertised on Amazon as J-115WB. It's only $30. Only $30. Nice size. And it runs off of AC if you want, or D-cell batteries. Comes with this manual. Let me see if I missed, oh, I know I missed stuff, but see if I missed anything I wanted to tell you. Oh, I just want to show you, not that it's that important. There's where the AC cord plugs in. It plugs into there. So it's not permanently. And what you do, of course, is you can put in batteries and then run it off of batteries instead of the AC cord in case you don't have any AC. And then I don't know if I mentioned the light. Yep, it's got a nice bright light. Yeah, I like it. I don't, like I say, I wanted this. I had it on my wish list for over a year and just never got it. And I'm thankful that PRUNUS sent it to me because it is a nice radio, and I'm glad I had a chance to show it to you. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.